What kind of message should they send to make you more interested in them?
Argentinian men send you are so pretty and I want to you.
What's up, guys? It's Justin Marc, and today we're in Mexico City and we're going to be asking the beautiful girls of Mexico, what do they think about dating apps and what is the best opening line that makes them respond to you? So guys, my name is Justin Marc. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert. And guys, I'm really happy to announce that we are launching an online seduction course that teaches you how to absolutely crush it in your dating life. I'm talking about getting thousands and thousands of Tinder matches, hundreds of girls messaging you on apps like Instagram. So you have endless options, endless potential of women to meet and go on dates with. So all you gotta do is go to this link right here, online-seduction.com, and you can get this course. And even if you don't wanna get the course, you can sign up for a free email list that will get you insane amount of dates, because we will be giving you tons of free information. We're actually gonna be giving you a opening line that you can use on dating apps such as Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, or on Instagram that has a 92% success rate. So guys, go to this website right now or click the first link in the description and be sure to sign up for the email list. And also, if you're interested, check out the online seduction course and you'll learn how to absolutely crush it in your social life, your dating life, if you know what I'm saying. So guys, let's jump straight into the video. All right, guys, I'm just joined here with
Carla.
Carla. Where are you from?
I am from Argentina, but I live here in Mexico.
Amazing. Okay. Argentina. I've heard beautiful things about Argentina, by the way. Do you like mate?
Yeah, I always drink mate.
All right. So I have a couple questions. Yeah, of course. Okay. My best friend's from Uruguay, which is like, just next to... I've been to Uruguay. It's beautiful. I've been all over Uruguay. I've been to Colonia, Punta del Este, all over. It's beautiful.
No,
yeah. Guys, I'm just joined here with
Nabil,
Where are you from?
Mexico.
Andrea,
Andrea, where are you from?
from here, from Mexico.
Okay. All right, guys, I'm just joined here with
Jody,
Jody, where are you from?
I'm from Scotland.
Cool. All right, question for you. Do you use social media?
Yeah.
Do you use dating apps?
Yeah, when I went to uni, I used Tinder a little bit.
So, couple questions. Do you use dating apps such as Tinder or Bumble or Hinge?
What?
Do you use dating apps?
Ay, perdón.
¿Tienes dating apps?
Yeah, dating apps.
Tinder.
Tinder. Para podemos hacer de vuelta, corte. O
English?
tú lo editas. Can you edit this part?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Have you ever used Tinder before?
Yeah. When I lived in Italy, because I lived in Milan, I started to use it.
Guys, I really hope you do enjoy these videos. Right now, I'm actually quarantined in Mexico, and I'm risking my life, risking the chance of getting coronavirus, just to go out, film these videos, and entertain you guys. So if you guys can do me a huge favor right now and smash the thumbs up, the like button for the YouTube algorithm, I really do appreciate that. You have no idea, so please go ahead and do that right now. If this video gets 1,000 views, I'll do a part 2 where I actually show you guys my personal best opener in public on YouTube, where I can actually teach you guys how to get girls to meet up with you for Tinder dates. And if this video gets 10,000 likes, I will actually film an entire date from beginning to end, and I'll put it on YouTube just for you guys. So guys, do me that favor, smash the like button right now for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate that. And now, back to the video.
Yes.
Cool. So what would you say is your favorite line, or how should a guy message you on dating apps or social media to get you interested or willing to meet up with them?
Oh, it's a difficult question. I don't know. The last time I used the apps, I really want to date because I just had a few years without dating anybody because I was just to how can I say, to be fine with myself.
Boring. Okay, so let's say you're on Instagram and a guy messages you. I'm sure you get, you're a pretty girl. You get messages all the time, right? So what type of message would make you interested in potentially meeting a guy who messages you randomly on Instagram?
I guess something interesting, like something very casual, nothing very intense.
Okay, so something funny and casual, but also interesting, but not intense. So you don't want him to put pressure on you. You don't want to have any expectations.
Yes, like maybe commenting like a picture or asking something about a picture or my dog or something. I don't know.
Okay, so I mean, clearly you're with your beautiful dog right here, right? Listo. And so if it was something that was familiar, maybe your outfit, maybe something with a place you travel to or your dog, you feel like you'd be more comfortable
Like
with that?
more casual, like more making conversation.
So let's say you wanted to meet a guy online, as I personally think most girls at some point in their life will use like a dating app or social media or something to meet guys. So what type of opening line should a guy give to you in order to get your interest and have you comfortable enough to potentially meet up with them?
Not just hey, because that's really boring, and not something really, really cheesy. I don't really go for like the, oh, did you fall out of the sky, that kind of thing. I don't know, something like maybe asking you like something from your pictures. I don't know if you like a really boring example, if you've got a dog or something, be like, oh, I like dogs too. Like find something in your profile to start a conversation with.
So find something that stands out that's unique to you and then talk about that.
Yeah, because
Okay.
there must have been a reason why they swiped or clicked or
Of
whatever.
course. Now, guys, you gotta realize that if you want a girl to message you, there's a lot of things you gotta do even before you message her to get her to reply. So on dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, or Hinge, or apps like Facebook and Instagram, if you want the girl to reply to you, you need to do a few things. And you also need to have a opener that would make the girl feel like you're a man of value and you're someone who's high status, and also make the girl feel comfortable so she will reply to you. So all you gotta do is go to onlineseduction.com and sign up for a free emailing list. And we're gonna give you a ton of value for free, costs you nothing. You can still get dates. You can still have girls delivered to your door. So make sure to sign up for this email list. You'll get free access to learning a lot of this material, or if you get the online seduction course, you will get an intensive direct training that will change your entire life, your entire dating life forever. So when guys message you on apps like Instagram or Tinder, what kind of message should they send to make you more interested in them?
Oof, what kind of question? It's different because there are a lot of guys and there are a lot of message. Argentinian men send you are so pretty on I want to you.
But obviously, girls get way more attention on dating apps than guys do. So that means you'd have tons of options of guys to choose from. So what is it on a dating profile that makes you respond to a guy's message?
I think the look. I used to be I'm very visual person. So for me, it's very interesting how they look. About the clothes.
Okay.
My ex-boyfriend, I met him in Instagram.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you actually met your ex-boyfriend on Instagram?
Yeah, look.
Wow. And do you think it's important for the guy to be direct with you and tell you, like, hey, you're attractive? Or should he kind of be a little bit more, lean back a little bit?
I think that's really culturally different in each place. I don't know.
Okay.
I think in general, my experience is men in different countries act really differently.
So overall, would you say you're happy using online dating apps like Tinder or Bumble or social media?
Yeah, in some point, it's a very good way to start dating again. It's very good.
And do you feel that most women these days use dating apps?
Yes. Yes.
So overall, would you say social media and dating apps are an effective way to meet guys?
What?
Would you say that social media are good ways to meet men?
It's a good way to meet men, I think. In this time too, because now we can see each other, we can go out because we started to leave the situation.
Coronavirus, quarantine.
Coronavirus. And I think we can start to try, because we have to try different way to meet people.
Awesome, great. Thanks so much for being in my video.
No,
It
that's
was
okay,
really
no
great to meet
problem.
you.
Nice to meet you
Yeah.
too.
Have a great day, okay? Thanks
you
again.
too.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Thanks so much for being in my video.
Bye.
It's mucho gusto.
Mucho
It's really nice to meet you.
You have to learn
Yeah.
Spanish.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Let's trade Instagrams.
Look.
I'll shout out your Instagram.
Look.
My Instagram is Drunk Justin. Drunk Justin
Drunk like the drunk.
is me. Okay? I'll write you. It's you.
Carla. This
Que
one.
bueno.
Carso School.
Okay? Cool. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll message you,
So,
okay?
Okay. We are
Alright.
friends in Instagram.
Mucho gusto.
Nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
So guys, the girl I just met has 70,000 followers on Instagram, and she's an actress, and she's really attractive. Like, obviously we just met her on the street during coronavirus quarantine without makeup. She's a pretty cute girl, and I just want you to understand that a girl like that met her ex-boyfriend through Instagram, and she uses apps like Tinder, Bumble, or Hinge. So you can actually meet lots of really pretty girls on dating apps. So guys, again, if you do want the best opener that has a 92% success rate, all you gotta do is go to this link right here, online-seduction.com, and opt into our email list, and we will give you the best Tinder opener for free so that you can use it on Tinder. You can even use it on Instagram or Bumble or any app, really, and have hot girls respond to you. All right, guys, my name is Just Marc. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert. And guys, right now I'm on a world tour, traveling all around the world. So leave a comment down below what city and what country you're from, and I'll be sure to film videos there. Also, guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below what types of videos you'd like to see, what types of interviews you'd like to see. I'll be sure to film those next time. And lastly, guys, please do not forget to opt into our email list for free, 100% for free. You will get the best free dating advice that's guaranteed to literally get you the results you want, if you know what I'm saying. Make sure to click this link right here and opt into the list, and we will be seeing you guys very soon. Also, guys, don't forget to grab a copy of Online Seduction, and we'll see you guys very soon. My name is Justin Marc. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.